Hey guys, Patrick here, and welcome to another video from CertifiedTinter.com. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to install the back window of a Toyota 4Runner. This one's a little bit complex because typically there needs to be two people involved with this because the controls for the window is in the front of the vehicle and you're working on the back of the vehicle to get the windows up and down. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, we have a 2014 Toyota 4Runner, and I'm going to be showing you how to tint the back window on this vehicle. It's a little different. You can kind of do it. It's almost like a rag top because the glass itself is bigger than the piece that it's in, the back window. So I'm going to show you how to shrink the film in quarters. So you pretty much get a shrink because you're not going to be able to lay it down like a traditional back window where you have more glass than there is film. So let's go and get started. I'm going to switch my hard card. I usually like using the MacTac when I do shrink, but I need a little bit harder card to make sure this lays flat because it looks a little wavy, but nothing too bad. Nothing that a hard card can't do. That's why you wipe it down first. Now that I've shrunk the back window and I've weeded it and I have reverse rolled it, that's how I'm going to install the film here today. Let me think here. Now I did remove the panel because I'm going to go ahead and give me a little bit extra room. There's a lot of room. I can put my fingers back there, here. And because I'm only a few inches, my hand can reach, my scrub can reach down at the bottom and get the rest of that. Let me get some better light here. There we go, a little brighter. There it is. So let's put it down. Let's get going. Alright, so now that's all nice and scrubbed here. I'm going to go ahead and squeegee it. So now that it's clean, we'll go ahead and wet her down. Just like a bottom load, you want to get that bottom wet. Then I'll go ahead and come in here with my my hard installation squeegee. Really move some moisture around. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it off. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. As always, I hope it was helpful and informative. Make sure to check out other videos that we have within our library as well. Until next time, we'll see you soon.